This will be very good size actually. Maybe short, but actually very good size for stock trout fishing. It's only $20. So here's a fishing line. This is called non-filament. You can use this one too. It's very good. 2 to 6 pounds. Perfect. Or 2 to 5 is fine too. Right. I like use now is uses fluorocarbon. Here's a Berkeley one. This is a really good one too. You know, but I use maybe like 8 pounds, 6 pounds. Oh, this one 4 pounds. Both are good for the fishing line. And for hooks, let's try hooks right here. I see someone use a size 6, but a size 8 will be good. This one. But I would suggest to use a bait holder. See here, bait holder. But here's size 4. Bait holder. We use size 8. Okay, I see. I see bait holder. So there's a barb on the shank. See that barb on the shank? Yeah, barb on the shank. But size 4, we need a size 8. Size 8 or size 10, blank shank. Maybe better uses it's a bait holder, you know, that's WalMart, you know. Sometimes it's just run out of some items. I have to go to Bass Pro, but yes, I like Bass Pro. They have all the varieties. Here is the weight. This one, yeah, oh, this one, and it's good, depends on the weight. So I think I bought this one. See, you can use a plier to squeeze it. I like this one. For the bait, just use simple one like this one. Power bait, corn flavor. That's it. Sometimes you can use some eggs too. Now they have other brand, I believe, for the fire bait. But same with power bait, they have any flavors, just different brand. You know, that's I use now. I just use power bait or corn. Some people use this kind of eggs too. This is this one. It's kind of fire bait. This one. I didn't use lure very much now. Lure is expensive. Sometimes I get this one, Berkeley. What they call a spray, right? Spray night claw flavor. Maybe next time I will try the best attractant in the summer, but not right now. I'm gonna try this. What do you call crawfish? No, yeah, crawfish. This one.